guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video, as you saw by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an AE like tile spin. So I'll show you on screen right now what that looks like. It's a really cool transition, so I just really want to show you guys how to make it. Let's just get started. So if you already know how to import your photos or videos and get your music, then skip to the time shown on the screen. So you're going to say add, pick your format. I'm going to do square, edit video, find your music. Now I'm just going to split it in two, just for the purpose of this video. And I'm going to import my photo, my first clip. And as you guys would have, if you guys saw my last tutorial, go check it out if you haven't already. But if you did see my last tutorial, I used a picture of Monica Geller and Phoebe Buffet. Now I'm using a picture of Rachel Green from Friends. And a picture of Chandler Bing, because he's just amazing. They all are though, like literally all of them are just amazing. Okay, so once you have your photos or your videos imported, you want to go to your first clip and say multi-layer. You want to go to layout and you want to search, I have it starred, but if you don't, you're going to have to search tile spin and make sure you press the 2, and here it is. And then you want to go to this thing here and you want to change it to this. And just to let you guys know, if you are doing in a different orientation for this edit, like not a square, these layouts might look a bit different for you and you might not be able to get 9 squares. So just, if you can't get 9 squares, that might be because you're not on the orientation square. Now go to edit keyframes and go to the beginning, and if you press this little opacity thing here, it will change to layout, and you can just pull the layout to 0 because we don't want it to start until the end. So pull it to the end and put it to 25. Then you want to add your graph in. So do your in graph. Do that and then create a second layer. So obviously you have to pay to do this transition. Pick color and make it green, like that. Then say done, edit keyframes. Make sure your thing is at the beginning, and then make your size about 33, basically just so it fits in the middle square when it goes. So 33 should be good. Once you've got that, just hit create. Then go back to the same clip, multi-layer, but you want your first one to be without anything, just the normal clip, and the second one to be with this square. Then you want to click here and add mask, and just click on the square, but just adjust it so there's no green. So that looks good for me. Then you want to go edit keyframes, do it here. So see, at the moment now that won't slide with it. That's what you want. Go to the end and rotate this round. So I'm going to do 25 again. I suggest doing 25. Import the same graph that you used earlier. And then obviously we don't want it to look like that because that looks weird with like the bit there and everything. So you want to say mirror, and you want to add tracking blur, so it'll be like that. That looks really good. Adjust how much you want, and then hit create. And then go to multi-layer. You know, same thing with the other one. Sorry, you got to do tile spin. Edit keyframes. Okay, but this time you want to make it 75 at the beginning and 100 at the end. And you want to do your graph, so obviously you just want to import your out graph or do your out graph, whatever you do. Do the same thing with the square. Create, same clip, multi-layer. For the first layer you do the one without anything, and for the second layer you do it with, and you add mask. Edit keyframes. Rotate it the other way, 25. Then rotate it back round at the end. Import your out graph. Add mirror and add tracking blur. Create, and this is your finished transition. So that is the end of this video. I know it's quite a short one. It's quite a popular transition. I think it looks really cool. And I also wanted to just post again because I know I literally posted so recently, but I just already wanted to make another tutorial. So if you did enjoy this video and you did find it helpful, then like this video and subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!